The conservation movement, the environmental movement, needs to stand up. It needs to stand up and be counted. It needs to shout above the noise. We've proven today we can do that in a legitimate, democratic and peaceful fashion. We can fix it, but as I said, not broadly enough and rapidly enough. The report says we're running out of time. We need our politicians to make that difference. That's why we need mandatory measures for us to vote for. And that's what we should be calling for, I believe.